Welcome to eHealth Learning, inspiring professionals worldwide.
One of the things that you should be able to do in the bath is put your foot out of the water and spread your toes like you spread your fingers. If you can't do that, don't be upset. Because part of the human condition is that we are better formed at the head end of the body and less well formed at the tail end of the body. But we have a way of looking at the body that is an ideal, and it's Da Vinci's Vitruvian Man, where we've got man in a square and man in a circle. And essentially, what I'm saying to you is that in addition to this view, we also have another way of looking at this, which would be man or woman in a triangle. And the reason that this is helpful is because not only does this exactly mimic what we find with the innervation, that as we come down through the image in the triangle, the shoulder is above the elbow, is above the wrist, is above the fingers. The hip is above the knee, which is above the ankle, which is above the toes, which is above the pelvic floor. But in a sense, this is also very important when it comes to our human development, because the body is made in the embryo in the same way, from head to toe. And of course, we're all familiar with common anomalies of human growth and development. When a human child is born, one of the things that the doctor does is turn the baby upside down to check and see if it has an anus. Because about 1 in 800 newborns have an anomaly of one kind or another at the anus, because the anus is the last step on the ladder. And if the nerves are not fully formed, these structures will not be fully formed. At the break, when you have a snack, if you look on what's in your snack, you'll find that most all of these bars have folic acid in them. Folic acid is a vitamin. The body cannot make folic acid. Folic acid has the same derivation as foliage. So in nature, you get folic acid from fresh green leafy things. And although today in cities in Europe and in America, all year round we bring vegetables from New Zealand, from Mexico, whatever, when your mother and my mother were pregnant with us, we didn't do that so much. And in the winter time, you ate much less in the way of green things. And the result of that is that folic acid levels typically are at their very lowest at the end of the winter time. And that is the time when, if you are going to conceive a baby who's going to be born with an imperforate anus or spina bifida or bladder exstrophy or any of the common anomalies, they will be born around Christmas time, around November and December. In the same way, if one of the kids wets the bed, the one who wets the bed has a birthday closer to November.